give away a fidget spinner. For today's winner, we're going to give away a fidget spinner for Madison Midcourt. Thanks for watching all my videos, Madison Midcourt. If everyone else wants a fidget spinner, comment down below. Comment fidget spinner, give me a thumbs up, and like my channel. For today's video, we're going to show you the dangerous fidget spinner ever. Let's stop the regular ones. Alright, we stopped the regular ones. Now let me show you the not regular ones. This one I use because it's smaller. This one Madison likes because it's rainbow. Madison doesn't share that much. I can't touch this one, guys, because that's the one Dad uses. It's like two knives spinning around. Look, let me show you in slow motion. Guys, I'm going to hold the phone while Dad shows you the dangerous one.
Okay, Jen. Okay, get the dangerous one, okay? Yeah, it's got blades. Gotta make sure not to touch them.
Don't touch them, guys.
Alright, should we try some tricks with this?
Yeah.
Should I try the regular spinners first?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright, let's try the green one. Okay, ready? Ooh, oh. Okay, here, I'm gonna do it again. Whoops. Alright, let's try that. You ready?
Uh-huh.
Alright, should we try it? I think I'm pretty good. Should we try it with the other one?
Mm-hmm.
Listen to that, guys.
Listen to that, guys.
Okay. Okay, wait a minute. We'll try it again. Okay, just keep watching. Listen to that thing. Okay, just keep going, Chin. We'll get it, we'll get it.
Are you okay, Daddy?
Yeah, I'm okay. Hold on.
Oh, look at this blood, guys. I hope my dad's not hurt. I hope my dad's not hurt. Oh, guys, I hope my dad's not hurt. Oh, that was really bad. I'm gonna go check on him. Dad, are you okay?
Yeah, there's a little bloody. Yeah.
Yeah, looks bad.
It's bleeding through the Band-Aid. Here, let's go in here so we can see it in the light. Uh-oh. I gotta clean up the floor, huh?
Yeah.
Here, look. Yeah, it got me pretty good. Right on my finger.
That was bad.
We better put that one up, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you don't play with that one, Chin. Okay. Okay. Let's go pick up the... Let's go pick it up. Oh, that's where it got me, right there. Okay. Yep.
That blood looks like a lot of blood.
Okay. Well, don't play with this one, guys. That thing will cut you up. I guess you probably shouldn't try tricks with that one. Alright. Anyone want to win that one? Just kidding. We're not giving that one away. We don't want somebody to get hurt.
That looked bad.
Okay.
So It looks like the blood is there of where you get hurt.
Yeah. So come back up here and show them all. Okay.
I don't want to step on the blood. I had to jump over it.
Okay. All right. So, Trin, I'm gonna go put a new Band-Aid on. So don't play with this one, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Guys, Dad's not here, so I'm gonna try this one out. This one doesn't seem so sharp. Let me see if it's sharp. Ow! Ow, ow, ow! Oh, guys, it hurts! Oh! You guys! Ouch! Look at all this blood. Ouch! Guess what, guys? Oh, guys. Guess what? It's fake. Did you guys like my prank? Me and my dad gotcha. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, though. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll give away 2 fidget spinners tomorrow, guys, because I tricked ya. Fake vlog coming for you. Bye.